Hi, Sang. Shannon Coward here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. Guess what? We've got several gray exterior vehicles just for you in the Sonata with different packages and even different colors if you choose so. Now, the most important thing though on our automobiles is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. Listen, we'll funnel down, find out exactly what you're looking to achieve whenever you and I meet. My name is Shannon Coward. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or my cell, 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you.